Natural Healing Channel. I, Dr. Rani Mudgal, is here with Saral Safal Samadhan, easy and successful remedies of your common problems. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your homes. Friends, as we can see, the coronavirus has locked down our lives and has impacted all of us in many forms. But let us try to look into one positivity that it can give to us. That is, it has given us ample time to think about our problems and look for their solutions. Like we discussed in my last video, how we can overcome the stress on our beautiful eyes. Let us take another important aspect, that is healthy tips to improve our digestive system. Yes, that is the second thing that has been hit brutally by this corona lockdown. All of us are sitting at home and having lethargic routine, and our digestive system has been hampered a lot. Friends, the problems related to digestive system are endless. Bloating, constipation, heartburn, acidity, pain in the belly, and many more. The list is endless. But the solution lies in only a few steps that you can follow in your life and retrieve very good results handy at your doorstep. Normally जो हम वीडियोस देखते हैं फ्रेंड्स, उनमें बहुत सारे टिप्स होते हैं, कुछ डाइट से रिलेटेड, कुछ एक्सरसाइज से रिलेटेड, कुछ फूड हैबिट्स से रिलेटेड, many more. But they seek your perfection. They ask for your full dedication. What I am here for, this is your platform where you can find in a nutshell, easily accessible for all types of remedies. Okay, जो हर कोई इंसान कर सकता है, मोटा पतला, छोटा बड़ा, बच्चा बुजुर्ग, everybody can do these remedies, right? So here I bring in a nutshell some healthy tips for you all to maintain and to improve, if it is deteriorated a bit, to improve your digestive health. So friends, let's start our video. चलिए फ्रेंड्स, तो जानते हैं हेल्थी डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टिप्स। सबसे पहला टिप, सुबह उठकर डेली आप जब फ्रेशन अप हो जाते हैं, उसके बाद आपको लेना है सिर्फ 1 टीस्पून दिस मिक्सचर, wheat bran and amla mixture. You can see in the slide later on. This is 1:1 mixture of amla powder. You can get easily in the market. It is easily available of any brand. You can take Dabur, you can take Patanjali, you can take any brand amla powder, and you have to mix it with 1:1 ratio wheat bran. It is also easily available in the market. Friends, ये wheat bran जरूरी नहीं है आप मार्केट से ही खरीदें, ये आपके घर में ही अवेलेबल है। जो भी आप आटा यूज करते हैं, व्हीट फ्लोर, आप उसको जब सीव करते हैं तो आटा नीचे छन करके जो ऊपर रह जाते हैं पार्टिकल्स, दे आर योर ब्रांड. ओके, बेसिकली व्हीट ब्रांड, that also you can use. This mixture is a wonder for your body, for your gut health, for your digestive system, for your overall body. Okay, since this video is focusing only on digestive health, I'll not describe or I'll not go into the details, but it is beneficial for your whole body from tip to toe, be it your hair, be it your skin, be it your muscles, be it your power, be it your digestive system, be it your muscle power, be it your whole body. It brings wonder to your eyesight, it brings good health to your teeth, it brings good health to your internal organs, and much more wonders. You can try it for yourself and you can see the result of this wonder mixture. Friends, let us see now what is the best thing you can do for your healthy digestive system. Any guesses? Yes, it's none other than the Kapalbhati Pranayam. First of all, let us see how to perform it. Sit comfortably in any asana which is comfortable to you, like Sukhasana or Vajrasana, the kneeling pose. You can sit comfortably with your spine straight and your hands placed peacefully over your knees like this, or in simple pranayama mudra. Okay, as per your body allows you in a comfort level. And then you have to inhale air as much as possible, right, into your stomach, and then you have to exhale with a pressure, like you are pressing your stomach deep inside your back, the spinal region. Let me show you. Like this. You have to do one cycle comprises of 5 to 10 repetitions of this inhale and exhale process. You have to do 5 to 10 repetitions. This comprises of one cycle. After one cycle, relax. Keep your breathing normal for 1 to 2 seconds. Then again you can repeat this cycle. And this cycle you can repeat for a maximum of 5 minutes daily. If you do this Kapalbhati Pranayam daily for 5 minutes, okay, after taking your amla water that you have taken, and before performing your yoga asans in between, you do this Kapalbhati Pranayam. It can do wonders to your body, to your abdominal area, to your digestive system. It can remove all your digestion related problems. It can reduce your love handles, it can reduce your tummy fat, it can remove all the toxins that is stored in your abdominal region. So guys, do give it a try. It's a wonder for your digestive system. So friends, let us start with the yogasanas of standing pose. Number 1, Tadasana. Keep your feet joined, spine straight. While inhaling, raise your hands up, fingers outstretched like this. Inhale, keep your elbows straight. Inhale, raise your arms up, and then your heels up. Stretch as much as possible and focusing on a common point ahead. Hold still this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute or as per your body's comfort level. Then while exhaling, come back. First your heels followed by your arms and relax. If you are not able to follow the sync rhythm of inhale and exhale, then you can keep your breathing normal while doing Tadasana. The pose or yogasana is Tiryak Tadasana or swaying palm tree pose. Keeping your feet joined. While inhaling, extend your arms, take them up, interlock them like this, keeping your elbows straight, rotate your arms like this, and you have to bend towards either of your sides. Say left first, keeping your lower body intact as it is. You are not supposed to move your lower body. You have to move your upper body from your waist area. While inhaling, you took your arms up. Then exhale, keep your legs and pelvic region intact. Only move your waist area to left as much as possible, keeping your elbows straight, hands stretched while exhaling. Come back while inhaling. Relax your arms and you can breathe in. Relax for 1 to 2 seconds. Then again, take your arms up while inhaling. Interlock, stretch, keep your elbows straight. Then bend towards your right while exhaling, keeping your legs from pelvic region intact, moving only your waistline towards right. Hold still this pose for a few seconds, then come back while inhaling and relax your hands. Now take normal breathing. If you are again unable to sync with inhale-exhale practice, you can do this asana with normal breathing. But if you prefer inhale-exhale, it will be more beneficial. That's it. Now these two asanas focus on your waistline, the fat accumulated here both internally and externally. Okay, it deals with all the troubles related to your this pelvic region, be it abdomen, be it stomach, be it waist, be it love handles, anything. Okay, so you get cured of it. And the third most important asana is Kati Chakrasana. Kati is name or Sanskrit word for your waistline. Okay, so again, what you have to do, open your legs a bit equal to your shoulder gap, stand comfortably, right? Extend your arms like this towards side. Then you have to move like Tiryak Tadasana. You're not supposed to move your lower body. This portion has to be as it is intact, and then you have to move from your waist, right? While inhaling, you can stretch your arms, and while exhaling, you have to move like this. Take your arm, try to look it back as much as possible. Your lower body is intact, you have only moved your waistline. Coming back while inhaling, relaxing your arms. Do normal breathing 1 to 2 seconds. Again, while inhaling, stretch your arms. Now move your waist to the other side. Similar pose. Second hand going at the back. Left hand, right hand going at the back. Left hand over your shoulder. Look back as much as possible. Again, lower body is intact and your upper body, waistline has moved. Hold still this pose as much possible. Come back while inhaling. Relax your arms. This is your one cycle of Kati Chakrasana, the mantra. Okay, so these were your 3 asanas which focuses on your digestive health, on your fat accumulation, on your various digestive system related problems which could be cured by these asanas. Now coming to the yogasana that will be done while sitting. Number 1, my favorite, Kagasana. Join your feet like this and simply sit on your feet. Make your hands rest on your knees, spine straight. Sit comfortably with a smile and hold the pose for as much time as your body allows. Coming back and relaxing. This was Kagasana. Next is that you can do and sitting posture is this. If you practice after meals, it will be more beneficial. Join your legs, sit like this, your feet outstretched and relax your hips. Join your hips to your heels. Place your arms on your knees. Sit comfortably with spine straight. This asana, if you practice for half an hour after meals, it is very beneficial for your digestive system. Now coming to the third asana, which is called as Manduk Asana. What you are supposed to do, sit in Vajrasana pose with your feet outstretched like this. Make a fist of your left hand, place it on your navel area. Keep your palm straight of your right hand and press the fist of left hand over navel and bend like this as much as possible. Okay, some people or maximum people having tummy are not able to do this, so I am giving you one little variation. You can press your navel with your left hand. You can take help of your right hand like this. Bend as much as possible. Try to keep your thighs touched to your heels and you can do some slight push-ups like this. With normal breathing, as per your body's comfort, then come back and relax in Vajrasana. This you can do a slight variation of Manduk Asana till your body comes in shape of doing it properly. Now coming to the asanas you can do while lying. One of the most important asana that you can do for healthy digestive system is Tiriyak Bhujang Asana. It's a variation of Bhujang Asana. What you have to do, lie down on your belly like this. Keep your hands, raise your pelvic region up and try to look here. If you are looking towards right, then you have to look to your left feet, and when you are looking towards your left, you have to look to your right feet. Don't take it up. This I am going to show you. Okay, you have to look like this. Relax. Normal breathing. Again up. While looking at right side, look at your left feet. While looking towards left side, look at your right feet and down. Relax. This Tiriyak Bhujang Asana you can do while doing normal breathing synchronization, and it's very beneficial for your digestive health. If you try these asanas, standing pose, sitting pose and the lying pose, if you practice all these asanas in your daily routine, your digestive health is gonna be perfect within a month. दोस्तों, किसी भी योगासन को करने के समय या करने से पहले आपको किन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए? जो आप योगासन कर रही हैं, नॉर्मली इनके कोई भी साइड इफेक्ट्स नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन अगर आपको ऑलरेडी कोई तकलीफ है, कोई परेशानी है, आपको हाई ब्लड प्रेशर है, आपको हर्निया है, आपको अल्सराइटिस है, आपको लोअर बैक की प्रॉब्लम है, आपको सर्वाइकल, कुछ अगर आपको इस तरीके की प्रॉब्लम है तो आप ये योगासन ना करें। जो आपकी बॉडी अलाउ करती है, प्रैक्टिकली फिजिकल लिमिट तक जितना अलाउ करती है, आपसे उतना। फ्रेंड्स, Next we come to the another wonder drug that could be used is acupressure point pressing. Okay, your hands and your feet are the acupressure center for your whole body, and so is a wonder point for your digestive system, abdominal region. Okay, over your hand, this area, the junction of your finger and thumb, just below this, okay, like this also you can see, and you can see in the slides also, this point you have to press. The upper one, just below the line, the curvature is for your neck area, and just below the neck area is a point for your digestive system, your stomach area. Okay, if you press it, and if the person is suffering from any sort of problem, you will, when you will prick, you will feel the person is having a slight pain, like the person will give you a symbol like this, and this is the pain area. If you are doing for yourself, you can feel the point where you are feeling the pain. Only few things you have to remember, friends. You have to press these acupressure points half an hour to 45 minutes before having any meal. And if you had your meal, then after 2 hours, at least after 2 hours, you will never press points in between these timings. You will press your points and you will soon have your lunch or dinner, and soon after having your lunch or dinner, no. This is the only decision for your acupressure points. You can press for both these hands. These are the wonder points you can do daily. If you do them daily, you can do them while traveling in a metro, you can do them while sitting, while your leisure time. There is no particular posture you have to sit in. Sukhasana, Vajrasana, you can sit on a chair. You can sit comfortably. You can walk. While doing walk, you can do this. Okay? These are for a maximum of 5 minutes. Press firmly. अच्छे से प्रेस कीजिए 5 मिनट तक, दोनों हाथ, 5 मिनट एक हाथ, 5 मिनट एक हाथ. उसके बाद आइए फ्रेंड्स, अब देखते हैं एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टिप. अभी तक जो टिप्स हमने देखे उनमें तो था हमें ये करना है, हमें ये करना है. अब जो इंपॉर्टेंट टिप मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ, उसमें आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ रिलैक्स करना है और रेस्ट करना है. बाकी सब काम जो आप अप्लाई करेंगे, दैट थिंग विल डू. Okay, so here I present abdominal mud pack. You can see in the slide how it is actually placed. Basically, जैसे मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था, वो आई मड पैक होता है. उसी तरह की मिट्टी लेकर के आप, मिट्टी का एक्सप्लेनेशन मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में दिया था, बहुत ही इलैबोरेटिव एक्सप्लेनेशन. आप अपने घर में 30 दिन तक किसी भी मिट्टी को रख करके, जिसमें पौधे उगाते हैं, पानी देते रहें जैसे पौधों को देते हैं. 30 दिन के बाद आप उस मिट्टी को भी प्रयोग में ला सकते हैं. अदरवाइज बहुत अच्छा तो ये रहेगा अगर आपके आसपास कोई नेचुरोपैथी सेंटर है, आप वहां से प्रोक्योर कर लें मिट्टी. और अगर आप यहीं आसपास हैं, तो यू कैन ऑलवेज कंटैक्ट मी. माय डिटेल्स हैव बीन शेयर्ड इन द लास्ट स्लाइड. यू कैन कंटैक्ट मी आइदर ऑन मेल, ऑन व्हाट्सएप और ऑन फेसबुक. ओके, सो आपको करना क्या है, उस मिट्टी का अपने एब्डोमिनल साइज के जितना एक हाफ इंच थिक एक कॉटन के, पुराना आप कोई कॉटन का दुपट्टा भी ले सकते हैं जो आपका वेस्ट हो गया हो घर में, पुरानी कोई कॉटन की चादर, कुछ भी पुराना पतला कपड़ा, उसे रखिए. उसके ऊपर हाफ इंच मोटी एक लेयर बनाइए. ओके, अपने एब्डोमिनल एरिया के साइज जितने, उसको रैप करके आपको सिंपली उसको प्लेस करना है फॉर हाफ एन आवर. 15 minutes one side and 15 minutes you have to change the side of the abdominal mud pack. For 30 minutes you have to you have to lie down, relax, whatever you want to do while relaxing, you can do that. Okay, and after 30 minutes when you will see, after removing that mud pack, one mud pack is to be used only once. You cannot reuse neither the eye mud pack nor the abdominal mud pack. Okay, once it has been used, because all the nutrition, all the things that are going to do wonders, they have been absorbed by your body. So जब आप हटाएंगे उसको, आपको लगेगा, अगर आपको कॉन्स्टिपेशन की प्रॉब्लम है तो वो आपकी धीरे धीरे डायरेक्ट होनी शुरू हो जाएगी. अगर आपको डायरिया की प्रॉब्लम है तो वो धीरे धीरे गायब हो जाएगी. धीरे धीरे इन द सेंस आपने आफ्टरनून में लगाया है, आपको इवनिंग और मॉर्निंग तक रिजल्ट्स मिल जाएंगे. फॉर बोथ द केसेस आपके डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम विद इन अ वीक, दिस यू कैन रिपीट विद इन अ वीक. आप डेली बेसिस पर मत कीजिए, ट्वाइस अ वीक भी मत कीजिए. आई वोंट सजेस्ट इन द इनिशियल स्टेजेस यू डू इट वंस अ वीक and see the wonder results it gives to you. Thank you. So friends, you have seen what all are the tips that you can use to keep a digestive system healthy. Okay, अगर किसी को कोई problem है already, they can contact me personally and discuss their problems. Consultation is totally free of charge. Okay, so don't hesitate in consulting. Otherwise, for maintenance of healthy gut or healthy digestive system, you can practice all of these. And the most prominent 4 ones that I would like to suggest you are taking Amla powder daily. that you have to take twice a day, morning empty stomach and at night after meal, at least 2 hours after meal. Okay, and second is your doing the Kapalbhati pranayam. Okay, and third one is taking mud pack every week. You can do it at home with your own mud. There is no compulsion, no restriction that you have to procure and you have to come to me or to any other doctor. That you can do for yourself. And the last one is Kati Chakrasana. These 4 things if you follow in your life, बाकी पूरा फॉलो कर ले तो बहुत 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 अच्छी बात है, लेकिन आप इतना भी फॉलो कर पाते हैं अपने डेली रूटीन में, देन स्टिल यू कैन मेंटेन योर हेल्दी गट एंड हेल्दी डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. फ्रेंड्स, इसके अलावा अगर आप लोगों की कोई क्वेरी है, कोई और क्वेश्चन है या कुछ और आप कंसल्ट करना चाहते हैं तो आप मुझे पर्सनली भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर, ईमेल आईडी, फेसबुक लिंक सभी वीडियो के एंड में नीचे आपको शेयर के लिए मिल जाएंगे. और अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया है तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और बेल नोटिफिकेशन जरूर प्रेस करें ताकि आपको फ्यूचर अपकमिंग वीडियोस की इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती रहे. आप सभी के स्वस्थ रहने की कामना करते हुए अब मैं आपसे विदा लेती हूँ और उम्मीद है हम जल्दी ही मिलेंगे. सी यू सून. थैंक यू.